In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a database in Notion. If you want to create a backup copy, reuse an existing setup, or make edits without changing the original database, duplicating it in Notion is a simple and useful option. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, open Notion and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the workspace where the database is located. Once you're logged in, take a moment to navigate to the database you want to copy. This could be a task tracker, content calendar, project board, or any other database page you've already created. When you've found the correct database, open it so you can see the full page. In the top right corner of the database page, click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional options for managing the page and its contents. After the menu opens, look for the duplicate option and click it. At this point, Notion will begin creating a copy of the database. Depending on the size of the database and how much content it contains, this may happen almost instantly or take a few moments. It's a good idea to wait until the duplication is fully complete before clicking around too quickly. Once the copy has been created, you'll need to locate the duplicated database. In many cases, it will appear in the same area as the original, and you may also see it listed in your sidebar. Look carefully for a version with a similar name, since Notion often creates the copy with the same title, plus an indicator that it's duplicated. If needed, rename the duplicated database right away. This is especially helpful if you're creating multiple versions for different purposes, such as testing a new workflow or building a clean template. Giving it a clear name will make it easier to find later and help you avoid confusing it with the original. Next, open the duplicated database to make sure it was created successfully. Once inside, review the contents carefully. Check that the entries are there, confirm that the properties were copied correctly, and make sure the different views are also included. This quick review helps you catch any issues right away and ensures the duplicate is ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a database in Notion. Thanks for watching.